Russia has engineered a unique domestically manufactured lithograph for three-dimensional microprinting, an instrument capable of producing intricate microstructures with a resolution of 350 nanometers and the ability to create features as small as 150 nanometers. This lithograph is the result of extensive fundamental scientific research combined with targeted engineering development, bringing together advanced optical physics and modern photolithography technologies. The significance of this achievement extends far beyond the creation of a single scientific instrument. It represents a clear endorsement of Russian scientific research, advanced technology sectors, and long-term technological independence. The development highlights the country's capacity to design and build sophisticated equipment critical for next-generation manufacturing and research. The origins of this lithographic technology lie in foundational research into two-photon photolithography, the core technique behind the new system. This early research was conducted at the S.I. Vavilov Department of Luminescence at the Lebedev Physical Institute under the leadership of Alexei Vytuknovsky. At this institute, scientists explored the physical mechanisms of the two-photon process, which enables the creation of three-dimensional structures with resolution beyond the classical diffraction limit of optical systems. In the year 2014, the Laboratory of Functional Microstructure, Three-Dimensional Printing Technologies was established at the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology as part of the National 5100 Academic Excellence Initiative. This period marked the transition of theoretical research into practical engineering work and the development of real hardware systems. The steady progress of this research effort led to the award of a state grant from the Ministry of Science and Higher Education of the Russian Federation in the year 2022. The goal of this grant was the creation of a single-beam optical lithograph based on two-photon polymerization, capable of operating beyond the traditional diffraction limit. By the year 2025, the Optical Lithography Design Bureau at the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology had successfully produced a fully functional experimental prototype. The project was carried out by a team of 15 specialists, including candidates and doctors of sciences, under the guidance of principal designer Danila Kolomagin. The newly developed lithograph can be described as a microscopic three-dimensional printer based on two-photon polymerization. While conventional three-dimensional printers create objects layer by layer at the millimeter scale, this system works at the micron and submicron scale, enabling the fabrication of extremely precise three-dimensional structures. The system achieves a resolution of 350 nanometers, meaning it can consistently form structural elements separated by that distance. The minimum achievable feature size is approximately 150 nanometers, which is about 400 times thinner than the width of a human hair. This level of precision is achieved through highly controlled laser focusing and an extremely accurate three-axis positioning system. Unlike traditional lithography systems that primarily produce flat, two-dimensional patterns, this instrument enables the fabrication of true three-dimensional microstructures. This greatly expands its functional capabilities and broadens the range of possible applications. Conventional optical lithography usually relies on ultraviolet light, with resolution limited by the diffraction properties of light waves. Although shorter wavelengths allow finer features, generating and controlling deep ultraviolet radiation requires very complex and expensive optical systems. The lithograph developed at the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology uses near-infrared radiation instead of ultraviolet light. Near-infrared optical components are easier to obtain and significantly less costly, which reduces both the initial price of the system and long-term maintenance expenses. At the same time, two-photon polymerization ensures that material modification occurs only at the precise focal point of the laser, effectively bypassing classical diffraction limits. As a result, the system is especially attractive for research laboratories, experimental facilities, and small high-technology companies. It offers advanced microfabrication capabilities without the need for mass production infrastructure. Another key aspect of the project is the use of domestically produced transparent photopolymers developed by the Nizhny Novgorod Institute of Organometallic Chemistry of the Russian Academy of Sciences. These materials are specifically optimized for two-photon polymerization and strengthen the import substitution component of the project. By combining Russian optical components, domestic software, and locally developed photopolymers, the lithograph represents a largely self-contained technological solution. This significantly reduces dependence on foreign suppliers. The three-dimensional microprinting process begins with the preparation of a substrate, typically made of glass or silicon. A thin layer of liquid photopolymer monomer is applied to the surface, and the substrate is fixed within a high-precision positioning system beneath an optical objective similar to that of a microscope. Using specialized software, engineers define the geometry, dimensions, and fabrication path of the future three-dimensional structure. A tightly focused laser beam is then directed into the photopolymer, where polymerization occurs only within the focal volume as two photons are absorbed simultaneously. As the positioning system moves along three perpendicular axes, the structure is built element by element in three-dimensional space. The entire fabrication process typically takes only a few minutes. An integrated optical microscope allows operators to monitor both the printing process and the finished structure in real time on a display. This combination of speed, precision, and direct visual control makes the system highly effective for rapid prototyping and scientific research. One of the greatest strengths of the lithograph is its versatility across multiple fields. Its high resolution and three-dimensional capabilities allow use in a wide range of scientific and industrial applications. In photonics, the system can produce micro-optical components such as microlenses and elements of integrated photonic circuits. These components are essential for optical communication systems, sensors, and photonic chips used in modern technology. For example, microlenses created with this technology can be mounted directly onto camera sensor arrays to enhance light sensitivity and image quality. Domestic production of such components reduces dependence on foreign suppliers, which is particularly important under current restrictions on advanced optical equipment. In biomedical fields, the lithograph enables the fabrication of microfilters, membrane structures, and scaffolds used in tissue engineering. Scaffolds serve as frameworks that support cell growth and tissue formation in regenerative medicine. Precise control over geometry at the micro and nanoscale allows researchers to recreate environments that closely resemble natural biological structures. This is critical for organoid research, drug testing, and studies of cellular behavior. The system can also fabricate micromechanical components for experimental research. These include microfluidic channels, mechanical resonators, and test structures used to investigate material properties and physical processes at very small scales. For many research teams, the ability to rapidly design and produce such structures internally represents a major advantage. It significantly accelerates experimental workflows and reduces dependence on external supply. The lithograph has successfully passed acceptance testing, and a complete set of engineering and production documentation has been prepared. This documentation enables the transfer of the technology into industrial production. Plans are in place to establish joint manufacturing with industrial partners, including Promise Lab and the Laser and Equipment Scientific Production Center. The primary customers are expected to be research institutes, universities, and high-technology companies working on science-intensive projects. This collaborative production model is designed to ensure technical reliability, economic feasibility, and the growth of a domestic ecosystem for micro and nanofabrication equipment. The creation of a Russian three-dimensional microprinting lithograph represents more than a technological achievement. It is a strategic investment in scientific independence at a time when foreign systems are often costly or restricted. The technology also provides a foundation for further innovation. Alongside this project, the Optical Lithography Design Bureau at the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology is pursuing additional developments supported by the Russian Science Foundation, including a laser-based particle size analyzer for medical and pharmaceutical use. The three-dimensional microprinting lithograph with a resolution of 350 nanometers stands as a clear demonstration of how fundamental science, engineering expertise, and state support can converge into a highly advanced technological solution. It expands the capabilities of domestic research and industry while reinforcing technological sovereignty. By enabling the local fabrication of complex microstructures for photonics, medicine, and scientific research, this development establishes a strong foundation for long-term progress in high-technology fields that increasingly define global economic and scientific competitiveness. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the memberships to encourage us.